Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable privacy mode on the Paysera application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the settings button in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the settings section and click on the third option, which is privacy and security. Then click on the privacy mode, which will blur the amount on the wallet screen. So if you would like to enable this feature, tap on the button on the right side and then it will be enabled, as you can see it here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.